The mystics always say that the experience they're talking about is ineffable. That you can't say it. Rumi was asked one time why he talked so much about silence. He said, "The radiant one inside me has never said a word." I think we all have a core that's ecstatic. That knows and that looks up in wonder. We all know that there are marvelous moments of eternity that just happen. We know them. Ramana Maharshi and Rumi would agree. The joy of being human is in uncovering the core we already are. The treasure buried in the ruin. If you think there's an important difference between being a Christian or a Jew or a Hindu or a Muslim or a Buddhist, then you're making a division between your heart, what you love with, and the way you act in the world. When you meet a new friend, the world has more light in it, doesn't it? Things become more spontaneous and more full of laughing and freedom and novelty. Just being sentient and in a body with the sun coming up is a state of rapture. Anything you grab hold of on the bank breaks with the river's pressure. When you do things from your soul, the river itself moves through you. Freshness and a deep joy are signs of the current. I had been a kind of natural mystic my whole life. Growing up there in Tennessee next to the river. Somehow, that was important for my consciousness. I still don't study mysticism. I just wait for experiences. It's such a foolish thing to argue about names, when what we're doing is all one thing. Longing becomes more poignant if in the distance you can't tell whether your friend is going away or coming back. The pushing away pulls you in.